We have your precious and, might I say, annoying little sister, and she's being held at the polar base. And if you ever want to see her again, meet us there within 24 hours." And he quickly and swiftly set off another explosion before the burning temple guards could catch him. Master Flare said to everyone, "Everybody remain calm, and my apologies for the interruption. It seems we will have to forfeit and give Red Claw the match." Red Claw immediately intervened and said, "Over my dead body I will have my victory the warrior way," and began ferociously charging at Spitfire,